Hey guys, hi, I'm Vitasta. Welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this video, you're probably already my subscriber. I have some news for you. You obviously know it from the title already, but still. So as I'm filming this right now, I have no words to speak. The woman was too stunned to speak. I am that woman. मुझे पता था ये होने वाला है, but मुझे ये नहीं पता था कि ये आज हो जाएगा. Because जिस स्पीड से मैं जा रही थी, I was really thinking कल की बात है. मैं सोच रही थी कि यार काश 100 के मेरा अगस्त से पहले हो जाए, because like that would be like my birthday gift. And I did not know कि मैं आज सुबह उठ के देखूंगी कि ये आज ही हो जाएगा. अब सोचो कि मुझे इतना भी नहीं पता था. I am not prepared for this at all. Like it's literally like what 9:54 PM. मतलब एकदम मुंह उठा के बोलते हैं ना जिस चीज को, वो हो गया है. मैंने इतना कुछ सोचा था कि 100 के होगा तो मैं ऐसी वीडियो बनाऊंगी, ऐसा प्लान करूंगी, एटलीस्ट ऐसे होमलेस बन के नहीं बैठूंगी. तो देखो मेरी हालत. तो मैं सच्ची वीडियो एडिट कर रही हूँ साइड में बैठ के. एक वीडियो मैं एडिट कर रही हूँ बैठ के, और मैं यहाँ अपना फोन देखती हूँ और यहाँ क्या ही कारनामे हो रहे हैं मेरे सब्सक्राइबर काउंट में. आई वॉज रियली gonna make like a huge deal out of it, but at this point I'm so स्पीचलेस. अब मुझे लगता है कि ये वीडियो बहुत बोरिंग हो रही होगी क्योंकि मैं क्या ही बोल रही हूँ. I'm literally shaking right now. I have waited for this day for so long, you can't imagine. Even a lot of my subscribers who have followed me from a long time, they have also waited for this day. And मैंने इतना सोचा था कि क्या फील करूँगी, क्या होगा. I had so many things in my mind, but right now I'm just feeling really normal, happy, but very normal happy. This is a very big deal for me, mostly because I'm not thinking कोई और कुछ काम नहीं करते हैं. Everyone deserves it who has earned it. Some do it slow like me, some do it really fast. I just feel like कि I lack in front of a lot of people in so many things. First, I'm literally alone here. I have no group or friends to make content with. Okay, so we all know that kind of content is really enjoyable. That's why it's being watched by a lot more people. Then I don't have any superior talents of makeup or fashion. Third, I don't have a team who will edit my videos or who will shoot my videos or plan stuff for me. It's like literally सब कुछ खुद करना पड़ता है. It's just sometimes gets so overwhelming. वो सब मेहनत ध्यान में रखते हुए I just feel like I should pat myself for once. I just feel like hugging myself right now. Give myself a little hug and everything. I'm just really proud of myself. मुझे सांस नहीं आ रही guys. I just want to give due credits to myself for once. मैं बार जोन आउट हो रही हूँ. क्यों? सॉरी, मुझे इसकी वीडियो लेनी पड़ेगी for my snap. Oh shit, oh my god, literally going to die. Let me sit on my good side. Right, this can happen at any moment now. सुन सको इतनी ज़्यादा मेरी धड़कन हो चुकी है. This is such a big deal for me. कैमरा भी टेढ़ा हो गया. I don't know why guys. This is such a मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि मेरे लिए इतनी बड़ी डील होगी. I did it. We did it. Okay, this moment is over. And lastly, I am really thankful to people who subscribe. Like actually without you guys, what would happen? मिलजुल के हमने किया है. मैंने content बनाया, आपने मुझ पे भरोसा किया, आपने मुझे subscribe किया है. So it's like a mutual celebration. अभी के लिए I will go and literally plan out a nice video. Please give me some time to think of that video क्योंकि मैं बिल्कुल as I told you I was literally so unprepared. In fact मुझे कुछ और वीडियो पोस्ट करना था बट मैं आज ये पोस्ट करी हूँ. तो अब मैं आपसे विदा लेती हूँ. मैं जल्दी वापस आऊँगी with another video. I love you. Give me a hug. See ya.